Shams Al Amal Furniture provides reupholster sofa service in Dubai. If you have an old sofa that needs to be refreshed or updated, reupholstering it can be a great option. With a wide range of fabric options to choose from, you can customize the look and feel of your sofa to match your personal style and preferences. Shams Al Amal Furniture's skilled craftsmen can remove the old fabric, repair or replace any damaged padding or springs, and reupholster the sofa with high-quality fabric that is both durable and comfortable. This process can give your sofa a new lease on life and make it look and feel like new again. Choosing to reupholster your sofa rather than buying a brand new one can also be a more cost-effective option. You can keep your existing furniture and simply update it with new fabric, rather than spending money on a completely new piece. If you're looking for a reliable and experienced reupholster sofa service provider in Dubai, Shams Al Amal Furniture may be a great choice. Be sure to inquire about their services, pricing, and fabric options to see if they are the right fit for your needs.